Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's just Coleman here. I'm here with my kids in the background. We are just out of the house. You know, we just wanted to take a little drive, and also I had some errands to do. So first we went to the post office. I dropped off my orders, and then after that we went to Hobby Lobby because I needed a new planner. So I got a classic planner. I will be showing you guys how I use my planner. So after that we went to HEB. Say hi, Amy.
Hi.
Hi, YouTube family.
Hi, Mommy.
Because I needed to go. We went to HEB because I was out of
Soy
fruits
sauce.
and out of soy sauce. Sorry guys, my son is in the background trying to help me remember what we went to the store for. And so yes, we needed soy sauce and fruits and mac and cheese for the kids for dinner.
Yeah.
So they didn't have soy sauce, so after we bought all of that from HEB, we went to Walmart, and luckily Walmart has half a gallon of soy sauce. So we got some soy sauce at Walmart, and we're so happy we got soy sauce. Me and my kids love putting soy sauce on our rice.
That is true.
Yay to us Islanders. I don't know. I picked it up growing up, so my son is laughing at me because he got it from me. But
yes,
we love soy sauce.
And she got it from you and me. And Sissy.
So yeah, also I just wanted to get out of the house because I was feeling down a little bit.
You stop kicking my chair.
Sorry guys, my kids are always messing with each other. So we're back at the house now. I am just parked outside. So a little bit, we did get some news yesterday about from the home mortgage company. We didn't get the I guess the house wasn't appraised for how much we put the loan in for, but we did get approved for the loan, and that's an awesome news. But now I believe now it's just us waiting on the sellers and us to come up with a good price that we both agree on, and then resubmit it to the VA appraiser. So hopefully we hear some good news back. I'm really kind of bummed out and depressed about it because it's been a good long 7 months already that we've been looking for a house, and I'm just ready to settle in, get a home. And yeah, so that was my day. I kind of just, you know, hey, got the kids ready, put on a little bit of makeup, did my hair, curl it. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you guys for hopping onto my YouTube channel and watching my video. Don't forget to click on that like button and the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.